A headland is a coastal landform, a point of land usually high and often with a sheer drop, that extends out into a body of water. It is a type of promontory. A headland of considerable size often is called a cape. Headlands are characterized by high, breaking waves, rocky shores, intense erosion, and steep sea cliffs. Headlands and bays are often found on the same coastline. A bay is surrounded by land on three sides, whereas a headland is surrounded by water on three sides. Headlands and bays form on discordant coastlines, where bands of rock of alternating resistance run perpendicular to the coast. Bays form where weak rocks are eroded, leaving bands of stronger rocks forming a headland, or peninsula. Through the deposition of sediment within the bay and the erosion of the headlands, coastlines eventually straighten out, then start the same process all over again. List of notable headlands. Africa Cap Verde, Senegal, Cape Agulhas, South Africa, Africa's southernmost point, Cape Blanc, Mauritania, Cape Bajada, Western Sahara, Cape Corinthe, Mozambique, Cape Delgado, Mozambique, Cape of Good Hope, South Africa, Cape Jubai, Morocco, Cape Malabata, Morocco, Ras Ben Sakar, Tunisia, Africa's northernmost point. Asia Cape Dezhnev, Russia, Cape Engano, Philippines, Indira Point, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, India, Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin, Tamil Nadu, India. Europe Beachy Head, England, Cabo da Roca, Portugal, the western tip of mainland Europe, Cabo de São Vicente Sagres, Portugal, the southwestern tip of mainland Europe, Cap Grisnez, France, Cape Arcona, Germany, Cape Emine, Bulgaria, Cape Iniberg, Faroe Islands, Cape Finisterre, Spain, Cape Greco, Cyprus, Cape Kaliakra, Bulgaria, Cape Tainaran, Greece, the southern tip of mainland Europe, Cape Wrath, Scotland, Gibraltar, Land's End, Cornwall, England, North Cape, Norway, the northern tip of mainland Europe, Point du Raz, France. Street Bees Head, UK, the most westerly point of northern England, Great Orme, Wales. North America Canada, Cape Codley, Newfoundland and Labrador. Nunavut, Cape Columbia, Nunavut, Canada's northernmost point, Cape Reals, Newfoundland and Labrador, Cape Norman, Newfoundland and Labrador, Cape Spear, Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada's easternmost point, Cape Tormentine, New Brunswick. Greenland, Cape Farewell, Greenland's southernmost point. Mexico, Cabo San Lucas, Baja California Sur, Mexico. United States. Cape Canaveral, Florida, Cape Charles, Virginia, Cape Cod, Massachusetts, Cape Fear, North Carolina, Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, Cape Henlopen, Delaware, Cape Henry, Virginia, Cape May, New Jersey, Cape Prince of Wales, Alaska, Cascade Head, Oregon, Diamond Head, Hawaii, Hester Head, Oregon, Coco Head, Hawaii, Marin Headlands, California, Mount Mitchell, New Jersey, North Shore, Lake Superior, Minnesota, Point Reyes, California. Oceania Australia. Cape Leeuwin, Western Australia, Cape York, Queensland, Southeast Cape, Tasmania, Southwest Cape, Tasmania. New Zealand, Cape Egmont, Cape Foulwind, Cape Reinga, East Cape, North Cape, Young Nicks Head. South America Cape Road, Chile, Cape Horn, Chile, South America's southernmost point, Cape Virgins, Argentina. See also, Cape, Headlands and Bays. References